Annyeonghaseyo. So this is my level 3 students. Yesterday, I gave them an homework about the difference between they and their. Okay? Who will be the first? Ria. Basa lang. Research man na.
They and their are both pronouns used to refer to people or things, but they have different grammatical function. They is a subject pronoun used as the subject of a sentence. It can refer to a group of people, animals, or things. Example, they're coming over tonight. They, because taghan sila nga makuan nga mo anis inigabi nana.
And there?
Ang there is a possessive pronoun used to show that something belongs to them, and it indicates ownership and or relationship. Example, their car is red. So like ilaang truck is kanang color red, like yung anak.
Next. Shane and Raya.
The words they and their are both pronouns, but they are used differently in a sentence. They is a subject pronoun. It is used when the pronoun is the one doing the action. Example, they, subject pronoun. Mao ni ang gamiton kung sila ang magbuhat sa action. Example, they are going to the store. Ang ilang gigamit nga word kay they, sila. There is a possessive pronoun. It shows that something belongs to them. Kanang kuan, gamiton sila kung ang nagbuhat kay ilaha. Pananglit. Example, ang ilang, there, sakyanan naa sa gawas. Example, the car is parked outside. Use they when talking about who is doing something. Use there when talking about what belongs to them.
Bali. Okay. Annyeonghaseyo. We are now conducting our monthly clip. Yes, yes. Abigail. Tuwang. Tuwang deh. Asa ka? Ito ang gawin ka na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sige. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Ako pa nag-prayer namin. Drummer ko bigla ako bago.
Ikaw pa na tuhod ni Malolo.
Uy, lolo. Against the light. Light camera action. Oh my God, yun na ako.
Langit.
May kapsal sa ito again.
Are de. Gagi, balhin mo. Tangan na kay, balhin na po na. Arulain na sa... Now we are going to use the lice remover. Since it is already broken, na kairong koto, kay init. Kaayo.
Don't touch your hair.
Wow, mangganilo sa si Marco, oh.
Nice hair.
Oh, wagin siya ilo sa wala. Itong kay Marco.
Napablan, mag-picture?
Ah.
Oh!
Plan eh?
Okay, napablan kay ko itong agoy.
Tarong ba? Ha? Plan eh?
Ito magidaon.
Agon eh. Nindot ka ni Kuan, buhok si. Pansa, nindot sa...
Hindi mo ba?
Wagay, lusa.
Wow! Perfect.
Patasan na yung buhok.
Okay guys.
Limpyo iya ha. Oh, next na, next. We are now conducting our movie marathon.
O ayan, ayos na ha. Huwag kang lalayo ha. Mag-ingat ka.
Sige po. Thank you po.
Ayos na akong ilaw sa loob. Ayos pa naman. Mag-ingat ka ha. Sige na.
Pero di ba sabi ko sa'yo, dahan-dahan lang, baka magkaskasan ka. Ang papa mo,
Sa loob po. Nag-aayos po ng ilaw.
okay naman.
Nag-aaway na naman po si Mama Waldo sa si Aling Rene.
Sige na, bilisan mo na dyan dahil ang dungis-dungis mo na.